English conversation. Questions with explanations. Choose the correct speaking order and improve your English speaking. Rian, hi. Can I speak to Mr. Carter, please? Mr. Carter. Speaking. This is a standard way to confirm you are the person being asked for on the phone. Emma, would you like some coffee? Tom. Yes, please. A polite way to accept an offer. Alice, excuse me, could you tell me how to get to this train station? Ben, turn left and go straight ahead. A helpful and direct way to give directions. James, how do you like your new job? Sarah, it's very interesting so far. A natural way to share a positive opinion. Linda, sorry, I'm late. The traffic was terrible. Mark, that's fine. Thanks for coming. A polite response to someone's apology. Jason, can I help you with your bags? Nina, yes, they are heavy. Thank you. A polite way to accept help. Olivia, what do you do? Liam, I am a software engineer. A direct way to answer a question about your job. Clue, have you been waiting long? Jake, just a few minutes. A polite and common response to avoid making someone feel bad. Emma, where are you from? No, from Canada. A short and accurate answer to a question about region. Amy, how was your weekend? Chris, it was relaxing, thank you. A pleasant and appropriate response. Lily, can you drive? David, yes, I have a license. A direct and complete answer. Ethan, is this seat taken? Sophia, no, go ahead. A polite invitation to take the seat. Michael, why are you late? Isabella, because I missed the bus. A simple and clear explanation. Henry, do you like your new neighbor? Zoo, yes, he is very friendly. A direct response with a positive comment. Eva, where is the nearest ATM? Logan, around the corner near the pharmacy. A helpful direction based answer. Daniel, are you free this weekend? Grace, yes, I have no plans. A clear and positive way to confirm availability. Mia, do you want to go out for lunch? 18. That sounds great. A natural and enthusiastic response to an invitation. Ella, how do you spell your name? Jaden, Jack, a proper and common way to spell out a name. Nathan, would you mind closing the window? Samantha, not at all. A polite way to agree to a request. Madison, what's the matter? Leo, I have a headache. A common and relevant explanation when someone asks what is wrong. Sarah, how do you get to work? John, by bus. A direct response to a transportation question. Mike, are you hungry? Emily, yes, let's get something to eat. A natural way to show agreement and interest. Anna, what time does the meeting start? James, at 3 p.m. A clear, factual, time related answer. Peter, do you speak French? Laura, just a little. A modest and polite way to express limited language ability. Rachel, can you help me move this table? David, sure, I would be happy to. A kind and willing response to a request. Julia, do you know where Mike is? Sam, he went to the cafeteria. A direct and helpful response that answers the question clearly. Kevin, are you feeling okay? Nina, not really. I think I am catching a cold. A realistic and polite way to express not feeling well. Brian, would you like some dessert? Sophia, no thanks. I am full. A polite way to decline an offer after a meal. Rachel, how often do you exercise? Ethan, I try to go to the gym 3 times a week. A complete answer indicating frequency and effort. Lisa, what do you think of the movie? Jack, it was really exciting and well made. A thoughtful response expressing an opinion. Olivia, are you ready to leave? Daniel, just a second. I need to grab my coat. A polite way to say you are almost ready. Mia, did you enjoy your holiday? Jacob, yes, it was very relaxing and fun. A complete and warm response to the question. Lucas, how do you like the new teacher? Ella, she is really kind and explains things well. A meaningful opinion about the teacher. No, can I borrow your pen? Chloe, sure, here you go. A friendly and helpful response to a simple request. Zoo, what's your favorite type of music? Liam, I really enjoy jazz and classical. A thoughtful response expressing preference. Grace, do you live nearby? Eden, yes, just a few blocks from here. A direct answer giving location context. Lily, did you get my email? Ethan, yes, I read it this morning. A clear response confirming and giving time. Mark, have you met Emily? Natalie, yes, we were introduced yesterday. A polite and precise response. Jake, what would you like to drink? Isabella, just water, please. A polite and common way to respond to a drink offer. Henry, what are you watching? Sophie, a new documentary on nature. A specific answer that directly addresses the question. Emily, can we meet at 2 p.m.? Logan, that works for me. A natural and professional way to confirm a meeting time. Sarah, did you enjoy the book? Evan, yes, it was really interesting and well written. A thoughtful and clear opinion. Eva, how do you usually get to school? Lucas, I take the subway most days. A practical and direct response. Mason, do you play any sports? Emma, yes, I play volleyball and tennis. A clear answer listing sports. Leo, why are you so tired today? Chloe, I did not sleep well last night. A natural explanation for tiredness. Ella, do you like cooking? Rian, yes, especially trying new recipes. A direct answer showing interest. Ishaq, what is the weather like today? Lily, it's sunny and warm. A proper way to describe the current weather. Grace, where are you going for vacation? Ethan, we are going to the mountains for a week. A full and informative answer. Bella, what do you usually do on Sundays? Jason, I relax, read, or go for a walk. A typical and well expressed weekend routine. Olivia, did you enjoy the party last night? David, yes, it was a lot of fun and I met some new people. A full and warm response to the question. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please subscribe to our channel English Learners.